Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Government Street is one of Baton Rouge's oldest and most culturally layered corridors, stretching from the historic downtown area and eastward through Mid-City. Originally laid out as a key route connecting early government buildings with residential areas, the street became an important commercial spine during the late 19th and early 20th centuries when small shops, local markets, and neighborhood services flourished along its path. During the early 1900s, streetcar lines ran through this area, encouraging development and making Government Street a lively community hub. In recent years, significant revitalization efforts have brought new life to Government Street, blending modern restaurants, art spaces, breweries, and boutiques with historic architecture that tells the story of Baton Rouge's past. As we drive along, you'll notice a mix of architectural styles, from early 20th century bungalows to mid-century commercial buildings, reflecting changing tastes and economic cycles. Community events, murals, and local gathering spots now contribute to a renewed sense of energy, while longtime landmarks remind visitors of the generations who lived and worked here. Baton Rouge itself is one of the oldest cities on the Mississippi River, with roots reaching back to the early 18th century. Its name comes from a red marker pole used by indigenous tribes to mark territorial boundaries, a reminder that this land held meaning long before European settlement. Over time, Baton Rouge passed through French, British, Spanish, and American control, each leaving an imprint on the city's culture and governance. Its position on a bluff above the Mississippi made it strategically valuable, especially during conflicts like the Civil War, when control of the river meant control of trade and movement. Baton Rouge became the permanent state capital in the mid-19th century, cementing its political role in Louisiana. In the 20th century, the city expanded rapidly with the rise of the petrochemical industry, transforming Baton Rouge into a major industrial and economic center. Today, Baton Rouge blends government, industry, higher education, and culture. As we move through the city, you're seeing layers of history shaped by the river, resilience, and constant adaptation, factors that continue to define Baton Rouge's identity.
Thanks for watching!